Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about saving your Instagram story to gallery as a form of archiving. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to take care of that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon on the bottom right. Once your profile page is up, select the hamburger icon on the top right, and then scroll down. And then underneath your app and media, you want to select archiving and downloading. And where it says saving to camera roll, save story to gallery, automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. Click inside that oval one time until it's lit up blue. And now going forward, stories are automatically saved to your gallery. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.